Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Lemlist to personalize outreach for LinkedIn connections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Lemlist for personalizing outreach on LinkedIn, begin by logging into your Lemlist account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations tab located in the sidebar menu. Click on the Integrations tab to access the integration options. In the Integrations section, find LinkedIn among the list of available integrations. Click the Connect button next to the LinkedIn option. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. After you sign in, you may be asked to authorize Lemlist to access your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions Lemlist is requesting. If you agree, click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to the Lemlist dashboard. Now, go to the Campaigns section within the dashboard. Create a new campaign by clicking on the New Campaign button. In the campaign setup, select LinkedIn Outreach as your campaign type. Begin adding your LinkedIn connections to the campaign. You can personalize your messages using Lemlist's personalization features. Once you've customized your outreach materials, finalize the setup. Review your campaign settings and ensure everything is accurate. When you're satisfied, click Launch Campaign to start your outreach. Your Lemlist account is now successfully authorized to personalize outreach for your LinkedIn connections. Monitor the progress of your campaign through the dashboard for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.